Thank you for purchasing this Nordic Track 10 Recumbent exercise bike. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Left parts are marked L or left, and right parts are marked R or right. To identify small parts, see page 5 of the user manual. Assembly can be completed using the included tools. Note, one or more of the included tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. To avoid damaging parts, do not use power tools for assembly or adjustment. First, set a sturdy piece of packing material under the rear of the frame. Have a second person hold the frame to prevent it from tipping while you complete this step. Orient the rear stabilizer as indicated by the sticker. Attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with 2 M10 by 122 mm screws. Then remove the packing material. Next, set a sturdy piece of packing material under the front of the frame. Orient the front stabilizer as shown. Attach the front stabilizer to the frame with 2 M10 by 122 mm screws. Then remove the packing material. Have a second person hold the upright near the front of the exercise bike. See the inset drawing. Locate the 2 wire ties in the upright. Tie the wire ties through the wire pulls on the control wire and the main wire. Then insert the connectors on the wires into the upright. Then pull the upper ends of the wire ties until the wires are routed through the upright. Make sure not to pinch the wires. Slide the upright onto the frame. Attach the upright with 4 M10 by 62 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Next, press the front shield onto the frame and onto the right front shield and the left front shield. See the inset drawing. Grip the connector on the end of the main wire. Then press the small latch on the wire pull and remove the wire pull. Then remove the wire pull from the control wire. Discard the wire pulls and the wire ties. Make sure not to pinch any wires. Attach the upright cover and the upright lower cover to the upright with 2 M4 by 16 mm screws. While a second person holds the console near the upright, connect the main wire and the control wire to the console wires. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your exercise bike to function properly. Then carefully insert the connectors and the excess wire into the console. Do not pinch the wires on this step. Attach the console to the upright with 4 M6 by 16 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Next, orient the lower console cover as shown and press it onto the back of the console. Note, tilt the console if necessary for access to the back of the console. Then orient the upper console cover as shown and press it onto the back of the console. Next, attach the seat frame and the attached seat to the seat carriage with 4 M8 by 18 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Next, locate the wire on the seat assembly. See the inset drawing. Rotate the connector on the wire so that the V-shaped indentation is at the bottom. Then plug the wire fully into the control receptacle on the left side of the exercise bike. Next, slide the backrest frame onto the seat frame. Attach the backrest frame with 4 M6 by 30 mm screws and 4 M6 washers. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Identify the right pedal using your fingers. Turn the right pedal about halfway into the right crank arm. Then use an adjustable wrench to firmly tighten the right pedal. Repeat this step with the left pedal, but you must turn the left pedal counterclockwise to attach it. And finally, plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the left side of the exercise bike. After you are finished assembling your exercise bike, inspect it to make sure that you have assembled it correctly and that all parts function properly. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened as well. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat underneath the exercise bike to protect the floor. Thank you for purchasing this wonderful Nordic Track recumbent bike.